We're back with part 3 of our Plan the Perfect Halloween series, and in this video, we're going to go over 4 fun and easy food and drink ideas. From savory to sweet to creepy and unique, these will make anyone happy. Now let's get creating. Zombie Brain Brew Punch. This fun and easy punch drink is just as much about the show as it is the taste. All you need are these few ingredients and supplies. Start by filling your syringes with your red juice. If you're using larger syringes, just fill those about halfway. Next, place a small scoop of lime sherbet in the bottom of your cup. This is your zombie brain. Then place your syringe in the cup, resting it on top of the sherbet. Don't place the end of your syringe all the way in the sherbet, as the juice may freeze. Next, you are ready to start the show. When ready to serve, pour the Sprite over your created cup, keeping the syringe inside, and watch your zombie brain start to fizzle. Then have the guests slowly push the red juice from the syringe. The final effect looks like a mad scientist experiment and tastes better as you drink it. Pizza snake coils. Here are the ingredients you need for your pizza snake. This will make one snake, and you can scale up if you want to make it larger. We went with a meat lover's pizza snake, but you can select the toppings that you would like as well. Start by preparing 1 roll of dough per the package, pre-cooking if needed. While that bakes, cook your toppings, drain them well, and make sure to let them cool. Next, it's time to assemble. Spread a thin layer of sauce over your crust, then add sliced cheese and your toppings. Quick tip, place your sausage along the starting edge so your roll stays even when you're rolling it up. Carefully then roll the dough, then melt your stick of butter and mix in your Italian seasoning. This is a measure with your heart situation. Brush your butter over your roll and then slice it into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. Next, grab your second roll of dough, cut it in half, with 1/2 becoming your snake head, stuffing it with your leftover toppings and shaping it into a triangle. The other half is your tail, and then brush both of those with your butter mix and then pop everything into the oven. Bake this until golden brown. We did about 7 minutes longer than what the package says for the pizza dough. Toward the end, brush on a little extra seasoned butter for that added punch of flavor. Let it cool and then carefully remove and assemble your pizza snake. You can also place it on a bed of salad so it looks like it's slithering through grass. Add black olives for the eyes and a roll pepperoni tug for the perfect finish. You can also serve with extra pizza sauce for dipping and enjoy your creepy, delicious pizza snake. The Pick Your Poison or Potion Drink Station. This drink station setup provides a creative themed way for your guests to customize their own libations. You can really make this your own, but here are the base ingredients and supplies you will need to create your drink station. Start by filling each of your small containers with one of your poison or potion flavor options. Make sure to use the same flavor for the specific vessel type. Next, pour your base drink into your drink dispenser. Then it is time to arrange your customization station. We use some cardstock paper to name our different poison options and our base drink. Have guests start by filling their cups with your drink base and create their own unique concoction to enjoy with your poison and potion flavors. Want to make this a grown-up version? This makes a great custom margarita station for your party. The Boneyard Bash Dessert Cup. This is a fun, s'more-flavored twist on the classic dirt and worms dessert with a fun, interactive boneyard element while you eat. Here are the ingredients you need for this fun Halloween-themed sweet treat. Prep your pudding per the package and pop it in the fridge while you tackle the rest. Next, make your Oreo truffle boneyard surprise. Crush your Oreos in a Ziploc bag or using a food processor until fine. Smashing them by hand is extra fun and, well, therapeutic. Mix in your cream cheese and sprinkles until well incorporated. Next, shape that dough into small balls or bone shapes, then place on a lined tray, either with parchment paper or foil works. Next, pop those in the freezer for 15 minutes. While they set, crush your graham crackers into fine crumbs and set aside. When your timer is almost up, you'll want to take your candy melts and melt them in the microwave at 30-second intervals until smooth. Then dip each truffle to coat and return them to the tray to set. Now you are ready to assemble. To assemble, add pudding and mini marshmallows to each cup, then press one of your truffles into the center. Cover everything with your dirt layer of graham crackers and top with gummy worms. Then add monster cupcake toppers and a little shovel spoon for extra fun. Guests can then dig in to unearth their boneyard truffle surprise, or crack open their bones for a creepy sprinkle crunch. Hit the like button to help spread the spooky season fun. Then check out the playlist we have on the screen for you now with our other Halloween party and celebration activities. Don't forget to subscribe for more holiday fun all year round.